This 2021 Forest River R-Pod 202 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, awning, TV, skylight, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, air conditioning, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River R-Pod 202 is 4,576 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.